What's up, Dragons? I'm going to make a really short video to show you how to change your web default browser to Google Chrome. This way, when you click on the links in Microsoft Teams to take you to your Soundtrap project, it'll take you directly there instead of having to bypass through Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer or any of the other browsers that are available. So I'm gonna do this pretty quick so that you can follow along. If you see my cursor right here, I'm going to go down into my search screen and I'm going to type in the word app. Now, somewhere you should see the word default apps. I'm going to click on default app settings. And then I'm going to scroll down to web browser. Now, there's a bunch of different options, but the one you should choose is Google Chrome. That way, when you click on your link in Microsoft Teams, to the assignments that I've given to you, that'll take you directly to the appropriate project. Good luck, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.